So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video, we are going to see that how can you create replica of website of a particular website in your own way. Like if you like a particular website and you want to create a replica of it, then we will be using a tool named as Stitch. Firstly, let's move in our browser and let's move to a particular website. Let's go to Amazon.in. Not this, Amazon.in. So yeah, for example, we take that uh, Amazon.in is the website that you like. So after that, we will just search on Google, that is Stitch. Now, exactly what Stitch is? Stitch is a design tool which uses AI and is made by Google. Now, let's move inside this. You just have to log in with your Google account since it is made by Google. Now, here what you have to do is you have to click on plus button and then you have to enter the website URL here. Now this website will be taken as reference. We can also prompt this. Take the above website as reference and create a similar website for me with better UI than this. Okay, and we want website, so we will just click here. Now just click enter. Now you can see the agent logs here, and here you can see the actual thinking of agent, what this is actually doing. You can see that agent is analyzing Amazon's current design to extract its core functionality and brand elements. Okay, so this is a good start actually, and currently it is building the design system. Also, you can just switch models from here and give multiple tasks at the same time because multiple agents can work in this particularly website, in this tool particularly Stitch. So yeah, you can see that this has created the design system for our website. Like this will be the primary color and this will be the secondary and so on. You can see that these are the screens which our website will contain. You can actually see that our agent is working. So yeah, after some time you will get this time of prompt. Like you can choose any of these you want. We can go with the dark mode. Now you can see that our design is actually ready, and this looks like the this looks like the exact copy of Amazon.in. And here the prompt which we have given later, that is the checkout page must be in dark mode, and here is the checkout page. Now we can also do one thing. We can just preview all of these, just select all of these and generate instant prototype. This will start creating an instant prototype. So yeah, you can see that our prototype is created. Just click on this. This is being opened. These are the particular pages which will be in prototype. This is the landing page, which looks pretty accurate like Amazon. Let's go in bestseller page. Yeah, this also looks good. And then can we go ahead like in deals or something? Okay, we can go in cart and I guess checkout page. Yeah, this is the checkout page. Okay, so that's completely fine. Let's go back. So this is the way, like without knowing the principles of design, you can actually replicate the design in your website also. Since Stitch is a very powerful tool, and it will you just have to prompt it, and this will generate the design as per the standards. So that's all for this video, guys. Now let's see you next time.